What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are doing something absolutely insane. I'm going to give you the ultimate blueprint to making a ridiculous amount of money in your 20s. Forget everything you've been told about waiting your turn or climbing some slow, boring ladder. This video is packed with 7 game-changing strategies that you can literally start using the second this video ends. No excuses, no waiting, just pure, actionable advice that will put you on the fast track to financial freedom. I'm not just talking about a little extra cash, I'm talking about building life-changing wealth, and we're going to do it together, starting right now. This isn't some boring lecture. We're going to make this fun, fast, and most importantly, profitable for you. Each chapter is a new challenge, a new mission to level up your bank account. I've broken down the exact steps that the world's most successful people use, and I'm handing them over to you. Whether you have $0 to your name or you've already started saving, these tips are designed to work for anyone, anywhere. I'm so confident in these methods that I can practically guarantee you'll see a difference if you just follow along. So if you're ready to stop dreaming about being wealthy and start actually doing it, you're in the right place. We're about to go on a crazy ride, and by the end, you'll have a complete toolkit to dominate your finances. Grab a notebook, get hyped, because your journey to building massive wealth in your 20s starts in 3, 2, 1, let's go! Alright, first up, side hustles. This is the absolute fastest way to get cash flowing into your bank account, and it's so easy you could literally start before this chapter is even over. I'm talking about taking that free time you spend scrolling on your phone and turning it into cold, hard cash. Think about it. You have a car? Boom! You're a rideshare driver. You can drive people around this weekend and have hundreds of dollars by Monday. It is that simple. You don't need a fancy degree or a business plan. You just need to take action. Don't have a car? No problem. Are you good at writing, drawing, or editing videos? There are thousands of people online right now on sites like Fiverr and Upwork who will pay you to do that stuff for them. You can literally create a profile in the next 10 minutes and start bidding on jobs. Or look around your room. I bet you have stuff you don't even use anymore. Video games, old clothes, whatever. Throw it up on Facebook Marketplace or eBay. That's not junk. That's seed money for your empire. We're not playing small here. We're building momentum. The whole point is to just start. Don't overthink it. The goal for this first challenge is to make your first dollar outside of your regular job. Once you do that, you'll realize how easy it is to make $10, then $100, then $1,000. This isn't about getting rich overnight from one thing. It's about creating multiple streams of income. So pick one: rideshare, freelancing, selling stuff, and just do it. Don't wait until tomorrow. Don't wait for the perfect idea. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, starts now. Okay, you're making extra money with your side hustle. Amazing! Now we're going to do something even crazier with that money. We're going to make it have babies. I'm talking about investing. And no, you don't need to be a Wall Street genius in a suit. This is the ultimate life hack, and it's called compound interest. Imagine you have a tiny snowball at the top of a huge mountain. As it rolls down, it picks up more snow, getting bigger and bigger and faster and faster. That's what investing does for your money. A single dollar you invest today could be worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars down the line without you lifting a finger. I know what you're thinking, but Jesus, I only have like 50 bucks. Perfect. That's all you need to start. There are apps like Acorns, Robinhood, or Fidelity where you can start investing with as little as $1. You can literally buy a tiny piece of your favorite companies like Apple or Tesla. The most important thing isn't how much you start with. It's how early you start. Someone who invests $100 a month starting at 20 will have vastly more money than someone who invests $500 a month starting at 40. Time is your ultimate cheat code. Don't get scared by all the charts and numbers. Keep it simple. Just open an account and set up an automatic transfer of 20, 50, whatever you can afford every single week into a simple S&P 500 index fund. That's it. You're basically betting on the entire US economy to grow over time, which it has always done. You are literally putting your money to work for you 24/7, even while you're sleeping or playing video games. This is how you build true, passive, long-term wealth. So your next mission is to download an investing app and put your first $10 in. Go. Side hustles are great. Investing is essential. But now we're going to level up your most important asset, you. We're going to install what I call money printing skills directly into your brain. I'm talking about high-demand skills that companies are desperately paying top dollar for right now. The best part? You don't need to go into massive debt and spend 4 years at a university to learn them. You can learn them online, often for free or for the price of a few pizzas. This is the ultimate shortcut to a high-paying career or a super profitable business. Think about skills like coding, digital marketing, graphic design, or video editing. These are the languages of the modern world. If you can build a website, run Facebook ads for a local business, or edit a viral TikTok video, you will never be broke. There are literally endless free tutorials on YouTube for every single one of these. You can use platforms like Coursera, Udemy, or even Google's own free certificate programs. You could dedicate 1 hour every single day, and within a few months, you'd have a skill that could earn you thousands of dollars a month. This is about turning your time into a high-value asset. Instead of spending your evening watching Netflix, you could be learning Python or how to use Photoshop. It's a direct investment in your earning potential for the rest of your life. So here's your challenge. Pick one skill from this list: coding, digital marketing, design, or video editing. Just one. And find a free YouTube tutorial series on it. Watch the first video tonight. That's it. You're not just learning a skill. You're building a machine that can print money on demand. Okay, this next one might sound crazy, but I want you to become famous. Not necessarily Hollywood famous, but famous in your niche. We're talking about building a personal brand. In today's world, your reputation and your online presence are currency. People don't just buy products, they buy from people they know, like, and trust. A strong personal brand is like a magnet for opportunities. Job offers, business partners, and customers will come to you instead of you chasing them. It is the most powerful networking tool on the planet. And honestly, it's completely free to start building. Think about the skill you started learning in the last chapter. Now start documenting your journey of learning it. Post about it on LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, or TikTok. Share what you're learning, the mistakes you're making, the small wins you're having. You don't have to be an expert. People love to follow a journey. By sharing your progress, you're building a community and establishing yourself as someone who is passionate and knowledgeable in that space. This is how you go from a nobody to a somebody in your chosen field. This isn't about being an influencer with millions of followers. It's about building a targeted audience. If you have just 1,000 true fans who are interested in what you do, you have a career. Those connections can lead to freelance gigs, a dream job offer, or the first customers for your future business. So your mission is to create one piece of content today about what you're learning or what you're passionate about and post it on one platform. It could be a simple text post on LinkedIn or a 30-second TikTok. Just put yourself out there. Your future network and your future net worth will thank you. All right, team, we're making money, we're investing, we're building our brand. But none of that matters if you're leaking cash everywhere. That's why we need to talk about budgeting. I know the word budget sounds horrible and boring, like something your parents would yell at you about. But we're gonna do it the Mr. Beast. I mean, the Jesus way. Fast, simple, and effective. This isn't about cutting out everything you love. It's about being smart and plugging the holes in your financial bucket so you have more money to invest and build with. Here's the entire strategy. For the next 30 days, track every single dollar you spend. That's it. Get an app like Mint or YNAB, or just use a simple notebook. Every time you buy a coffee, pay a bill, or order something on Amazon, write it down. At the end of the month, you are going to be shocked. You'll see exactly where your money is going, and you'll immediately spot things you can cut back on without even feeling it. That $15 a day on delivery apps, that's $450 a month you could be investing. Once you see where the money is going, you can create a simple plan. I like the 50/30/20 rule. It's super easy. 50% of your income goes to needs, rent, bills, groceries. 30% goes to wants, entertainment, dining out, and the most important part, 20% goes straight to savings and investing. Automate that 20% transfer the day you get paid so you never even see it. This single habit will make you wealthier than 90% of people. Your mission? Download a budgeting app right now and connect your bank account. It takes 5 minutes and will save you thousands. This is my favorite chapter because we're going to turn the things you already love doing into money-making machines. What are your hobbies? What do you do for fun when you're not working or sleeping? Do you love playing video games, creating art, playing guitar, gardening? Whatever it is, I guarantee you there is a way to monetize it. We live in the most incredible time in history where you can get paid to do literally anything you're passionate about. This isn't even work, it's getting paid to have fun. Let's take gaming, for example. You could start streaming on Twitch or YouTube. You don't need to be the best player in the world, you just need to be entertaining. People will subscribe and donate just to watch you play. Or you could start a YouTube channel making tutorials or funny compilation videos. Love photography? Sell your photos on stock photography websites like Adobe Stock or Shutterstock. Love to bake? Start an Instagram page for your creations and sell custom cakes to people in your local area. The possibilities are absolutely endless. The key is to just start creating content around your hobby. Use the personal branding skills we talked about earlier. Film yourself doing your hobby, write about it, take pictures of it, and share it with the world. You'll attract an audience of people who share your passion. And once you have an audience, you have endless ways to make money. Ads, sponsorships, selling merchandise, offering coaching or courses. Your challenge is to pick your favorite hobby and brainstorm 3 ways you could potentially make money from it. Write them down. The first step to getting paid for your passion is realizing it's possible. Listen up, because this final strategy is the ultimate multiplier for everything else we've talked about. You can have the best skills and the best ideas in the world, but if you don't know the right people, you're playing on hard mode. We're talking about networking. And I don't mean that cringy, awkward thing where you hand out business cards at some stuffy conference. I mean building genuine relationships with people who can change your life. Every major opportunity I've ever had came from a person, not an application form. Your mission is to become a master connector. Start online. Optimize your LinkedIn profile right now. Make it look professional and start connecting with people in the industry you want to be in. Don't just send a blank request. Add a personalized note. Say something like, "Hey, name, I'm really inspired by your work at company. I'm currently learning skill and would love to connect and follow your journey." People are way more likely to accept. Then engage with their content. Like and comment on their posts. Become a familiar face in their digital world, but don't just stay online. Go to local meetups, industry events, or even volunteer for causes you care about. Talk to people. Be curious about what they do. Don't ask for anything. Just focus on building a real connection. The goal is to build a massive web of relationships. You never know who knows who. The person you have a coffee with today could introduce you to your next business partner or hire you for your dream job 6 months from now. So your final challenge? Send 5 personalized connection requests on LinkedIn today. It's the first step to building a priceless network. And that's it. 7 insane, life-changing strategies to build massive wealth in your 20s. We covered everything from starting a side hustle for quick cash, to the insane power of investing early, to learning skills that literally print money. We talked about building your personal brand, budgeting like a pro, turning your hobbies into income, and building a network that will open doors you never thought possible. You now have the complete blueprint. The only thing left to do is to take action. Don't just watch this video and forget about it. Pick one thing, just one, and start it today. I am so incredibly pumped for you all. This decade of your life is the most critical for setting yourself up for financial freedom, and you have all the tools you need to absolutely crush it. Remember that every big success story starts with a small first step. Your journey of 1,000 miles starts with that single click, that first dollar invested, that first connection request sent. Go out there and make it happen. I believe in you, and you should believe in yourself too. This is your time. Thank you so much for watching. I poured everything into this video, and I hope it helps you change your life. If you found these tips helpful, hit subscribe for more ways to level up your life in your 20s. It helps the channel more than you know. And don't forget to share this video with a friend who needs to see it. Let's all get rich together. See you in the next video.